So we came into this house, and there's two wires into this outlet location that basically feed to a different spot, and one 14.3, the 14.3 goes over to here, to that wire. There's another 14.3, we can't figure out where it goes. There's no power coming into either of them. There's another one over here, and they didn't even put wires in it. So these are supposed to be 3-ways and 4-ways switches to run these lights. These lights have no connection between the light and any of these 3 locations. So those already put up the sheetrock and didn't run the wires. All 4 of them are connected to each other. There's another wire coming off of here and going down that direction, and we can't figure out where it goes. But there's no power on the lights. There's no connection between the lights and the switches. There's no power to the switches. And this was a general contractor, he was not an electrician. This is the other side of that same wall. And we had to tone every one of these wires out, find out where they go. Some of them was in the wrong place, one of them was over here. And that is the wire that feeds the lights in here. Of course, again, there's no power. I had to add the box here. This I had to add this box. I had to add this box. Yeah, we had to add these 2 boxes. This is another one there's no power coming into. So here's another one we had to trace out. Discovered that the black and red wire, these 2, were on the wrong place. They had them swapped. So let me tighten that up. Basically the power would come in on the red here, and it would switch it and send it right back down there. And then over here he did the same thing. So it would be the same way. You'd switch it and it would send the power back over the other side of the room. And he brought the power into this one. And from here, went through those 3 switches. The one there, the one over there, and the one down there on the left. And you see the light hanging down. It fed that light. It fed the box over here on the side of the wall. It fed this one. And these 2 were left out, and we pulled the wires into those. So lighting in here, the laundry room, and lighting out there. The light out there has its own switch, but somebody wired it so you turned the laundry room off. It also turned off that one. So I gotta go back and fix that. Then I did this one the same way. I turned this one on. Turns on the closet. Also turns on the fan and light. Let me see. That one. Okay. So I'll turn the switch off. And then wire it through the closet switch. I'm gonna go back and fix that one too. So what they did was, power coming into the switch. This is our feeds the light. This is the wire that feeds the light. This is the wire that feeds the next device down the line, which would be the other switch. And they put the light and the next switch together. So gotta put this back on the switch and put this one with the power coming in.
So this is the water heater, and we've had to told it out to figure out where this wire went because it goes up into the ceiling. It doesn't go to the breaker panel. And we traced it down. And it goes into the box. You see the two wires here by themselves wired up on them? Yeah, somebody decided to go into the smoke detector and just stop instead of taking it to breaker panel.